Okay.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bexar County, west central Comal County, southeastern Kendall County, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fair Oaks Ranch, or 8 miles southeast of Bernie, moving north at 15 miles per hour. A second storm located just north of Helotes is also moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include San Antonio, Bernie, Helotes, Fair Oaks Ranch, Bulverde, Shabano Park, Cross Mountain, Bergheim, The Dominion, Walnut Grove, Candelia, Guadalupe River State Park, Creudsburg, Leon Springs, Sister Dale, Timberwood Park, Gray Forest, Cascade Caverns, Spec Store, and Fiesta, Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
The short-term forecast for your area.